want to tell you something that you need to know. But the truth is, I don't with 100% confidence know exactly what it is that you need to know. There is, however, a piece of me that has a tiny hunch that maybe you don't need to know anything, but what you do need to do is to stop doing, to just be, to fall in love with the awe and wonder that comes from the art that is listening. The art that is listening, the sight that is glistening, the rivers, the oceans, the land, the trees. It's all a grand symphony, as my dear friend Michael would say. So, don't be shy about who you are today. Breathe it in, inhale, exhale. Your divine self always does prevail. You get to be who you want to be. You get to do what you want to do. And that, my friend, is the message that was meant to find you.